What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Couples Trading Lab. I'm Ray.
And this is Badi. You're watching the Daily Price Action Show. We're going to cover SPY, QQQ, SMH market analysis. Then we're going to go over some of the outperformers from today that are just starting their moves, can see tremendous moves heading into the upcoming session that we think is going to be very good for you. So make sure you stick around until the end of the video. SPY held 749.55 over the last three sessions, and as we mentioned yesterday, that consolidation was a win for the bulls. Heading into today's session, as soon as 749.55 was held right at the opening session, bulls stepped in very strongly with strong buying pressure and printed that hollow candle that we spoke about that they would be printing once that digestion had matured.
The overall trend still looks strong. If this breakout continues to hold, the next upside area I'm watching is 760 plus, especially with the TTM squeeze resetting and volume starting to build again.
So now that we have a hollow breakout candle above 749.55, we are expecting another green session to come in tomorrow, the same way that we saw right here after the expansion, and then again right here after the expansion. Whenever you get a consolidation and then you finally have a hollow candle, there's a very likelihood of seeing another follow through green heading into the next session. That's our SPY analysis. Heading into tomorrow's session, we do believe that there's going to be another green follow-through day.
That said, SPY is also getting stretched from its 20 SMA line home base, so I wouldn't blindly chase the highs here. For me, 752 is a key level. As long as SPY holds above it, continuation remains in play. But if SPY loses 752 and starts accepting back underneath the 752 level, then I'd watch for a possible pullback towards 750, the 748 zone where buyers would need to step back in.
Now let's go over QQQ. QQQ was stronger than SPY, printed a hollow candle, and unlike SPY, while SPY was digesting, QQQ was climbing higher day by day, and today went even higher. So given where we currently are at 736.6 close, we're very likely going to get another green session tomorrow towards 740 to 742 to 43 area. I know the price is very far away from the 20 EMA line, which is known as the home base extension gouge. However, I still do believe that we still have one more day on QQQ to see some nice green ahead of us.
My favorite outperformer for the day is Hood. It is setting up nicely for upside follow through. Price is starting to hold structure, buyers are showing interest, and momentum continues building. This could open the door for a cleaner push towards 90 to 100.
Microsoft, very nice consolidation over the last couple of weeks. We have been holding that breakout from this main downtrend line. We have been digesting and refusing to go down. Something that really excites me when I see these type of liquidity candles. When we see that forming a bottom, all of the candles close above that, that tells us that institutions are holding the line and they're defending that rally we previously had. So price acceptance here is clearly being shown within price action, and today's candle was a massive demand candle. And something else that a lot of traders don't really see is that we printed the same yellow momentum indicator that triggered that massive expansion on Microsoft that we're seeing here again. So is this going to be the start of that expansion on Microsoft? I say the likelihood of that is definitely very high. My first clear target, very small target heading into tomorrow, is going to be the 432 gap right here. If we do end up pushing higher, then the next resistance level I'm looking for is 442, and then this gap at 481. These are my price targets heading into the upcoming weeks. This is one of my favorite setups, and if you look at the weekly chart, also very important. We are inside of this multi-year bullish channel. We have been defending that massive demand candle, and ever since then we have been consolidating for 7 weeks, as we can see on this weekly time frame, and it looks like like the stock is finally ready, likely going to trigger the next rally-based rally towards the 460s. And I have one more software stock that I'm looking at. ServiceNow is also at this multi-year support. We established again at 81.16, had a very nice rebound so far, and we broke out of that bullish falling wedge. We ended that downtrend that we were inside of, and this is how we look like on the daily time frame. The volume has been coming in. We have this beautiful rebound off of the multi-year support at 81.16. We have regained the 20 EMA line. We have that bullish divergence taking place where the relative strength index shows internal buying despite the price coming down for whatever reason, such as capitulation and so forth. These are the levels that I'm looking for going forward. Above 110, I'm looking at this level of resistance at 126, but I think there's going to be much more room towards that main level at 137. The reason why I'm liking that 137 is because it takes us back to that all-time highs at 211. The downtrend structure there pretty much resets the trend, brings it back to its 200 simple moving average line and says, okay, if the market is ready here and gets price acceptance, then now can continue higher, put an end to that much larger downtrend, go into an uptrending structure.
Do you think SPY continues grinding higher from here? Or are you waiting for a larger pullback before becoming aggressive?
Leave a comment down below. We really enjoy reading your comments. And not only us, but others also enjoy reading your comments to feel what sentiment is like in the market, what everyone is thinking, and most importantly, it helps push us towards other viewers as well, recommends us to other viewers, and that greatly helps our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you in tomorrow's daily price action show.